Hello, it's Dr. Eric Tangumonkem here. I want to use this opportunity, first of all, to welcome you to our geology class and to talk about the discussion board. You are going to have an opportunity throughout the course of this class to apply the knowledge that you are learning through the discussion board. A prompt will be given. It can be a video or a question or a statement for you to comment on it. You'll be expected to write about 300 words maximum. Don't override. Keep to the instructions and make sure that you follow them closely. The discussion board post is going to have two parts. The first part is your respond to the discussion board post. I expect that to come in by Thursday latest. The second part is responding to post by your course mates. Your post, they have to be thoughtful, they have to be thorough, they have to be engaging for you to earn all the points. Make sure you ask questions, make sure you include photos, videos, or whatever audiovisual aids can help to explain your point more. If you cite any sources, if you borrow information from any sources, make sure you provide the references while using the APA citation format. No plagiarism. Make sure you cite your sources properly. The discussion board is an exciting opportunity for us to interact. I'm going to be posting questions. I'll also be participating, and I expect you to respond. Thank you for taking this course with me. I look forward to us having a fantastic semester. If you have any questions, any concerns, reach out to me. Together, we are going to make this work. Thank you.